So let's move on to the third property. It says that log of m to the power n equal to n log of m. Here m is strictly greater than 0. So you see the proof is very simple again. Property number 4, it says that if log of m base a, this I can write as log of m base b into log of b base a. This property is called change of base of logarithm, because on the left hand side we have log of m with base a, and on the right hand side we have change. We have introduced one new term, that is b, and we have changed the base. Now look at the corollary. The proof is very simple. The corollary is very important. You see here, if I have log of b base a product log of a base b, then I can write log of a base a. That means here you see this b is cancelled and only log of a base a is left, which is equal to 1. How? This is since log of a base a equal to 1 by property number 6. So property number 6 we'll see in the next page. So you just keep this in mind. This is very important formula. So property number 5 and property number 6, these are very important properties, and the proof is also very simple. It says log of 1 base a is equal to 0 and log of a, property number 6, base a is equal to 1. The proof is very simple. We know that a to the power 0 by law of indices is equal to 1. So if I convert it in by definition of log, we simply get log of 1 base a equal to 0. Similarly, the proof of 6 is also very simple. Log of a base a is equal to 1, because by law of indices we know anything raised to the power itself is 1 is equal to itself. That is a to the power 1 I can write is equal to a. So just apply the log here, you will get log of a base a equal to 1. Here, important note, if base is not mentioned in the equation, then we will always consider it as a base 10. And number 2, this is also important, if log of m and equal to log of n, both if we have the same base, then m will be equal to n. Okay, now let's see one small example. If 2 to the power x is equal to 4, then just this x we can write by definition of log, x equal to log of 4 base 2. Now this 4, we know that this is nothing but 2 square. So by property number 3 I can write this power will come as a multiplication, that is 2 into log of 2 base 2. Okay, and by property number just see here, just in the previous page, by property number 6 we can say that this is log of base 2 is equal to 1. So ultimately we will get answer 2. So this example shows us that if we have equation of the type 2 to the power x equal to 4, then we can find the value of x. So similarly, if we have 2 to the power x equal to 5, we can also write this in the form x equal to log 2 5. That means we can find the value of x using log property. So from here it is clear that logarithm is used to find the power of an exponential. So this is one basic property, this is one basic function tool, you can say, which is very important tool where logarithm is used basically. Next, these are some exercise 4b, question number 3. So evaluate log of 64 with base 4. Then this 64 I can write 4 to the power 3. So by property 3, power will come as multiplication, and log 4 by property 6 is equal to 1. So ultimately the answer is 3. Similarly, log of 1 by 9 base 3. What is 1 by 9? 1 by 9 I can write 1 by 3 whole square. So the square by property 3, the power will come as a product, and this log of 1 by 3 by property 2, it will be what? Log of numerator minus log of denominator is log of 1 minus log of 3. And we know by property number 5 that log of 1 with respect to any base is always 0, and log of 3 base 3, if the base and the numbers is same, then by property 6 it is 1. So this is nothing but answer is minus 2. So number 3, I am keeping it as homework because it is similar. Similarly, it is very simple. Log of 0.001 base 10. Log of 0.001 base 10. So this can be written as 10.001 can be written in the form 10 to the power minus 3. So just by applying those properties, we can get minus 3 log 10 base 10. So minus 3 into 1 equal to minus 3. Similarly, you see number 5, so in the same manner. So number 6 is same pattern, very easy one. So you try it as homework. So number 7, log of e to the power x equal to x. So what will happen to this? So the power x will come as a multiplication, and here log of e base e. So this is equal to 1 by property number 6. So ultimately we will get the answer as x. So number 4, solve or find the value of x. So if I have an equation of the form log of x base 3 equal to 2, then I can write by definition of log as x equal to 3 square. So this is nothing but x equal to 9. So the second one is kept as homework. Next, log of 2x plus 1 base 3 equal to 1. Apply the log definition here. You will get 2x plus 1 equal to 3 to the power 1, which is nothing but ultimately after solving x is equal to 1. Now 4 and 5 are kept as homework. The hint is you have to use quadratic equation to solve them. Number 6. Here you see in the question